Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the microphone level on your headset on your PS4. So maybe your headset is buzzing or something like that. The easiest way to do this is just by holding down the PlayStation button. Go all the way to the top and go to where it says Sound/Devices right here. Go to the right and go to Adjust Microphone Level. And then make sure this is in the good section by using the slider. And just move that back and forth. So let me go back to this and just move it to the left or right with the D-pad until it's in the good section. And then you shouldn't have too much buzzing sound. So if you stop talking, you can see all the background noise right here. So I can just reduce this by going to the left, and you can see all the background noise is completely eliminated. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.